So we're back at Johnson Road. Gavin's up here smashing this one through, so it's in the paper. The top, that's been done. This has been done as well. And the first coating has gone down. Kitchen's in, so flooring's in. That's going to be cut for the fridge. Then the tile will go along here, and this is pretty much done. It's the bathroom. So that is a bit high, but we'll leave that for now. You can stand there, I guess, and just need to press that. Not too bad. This goes there, so yeah. Yeah, Gavin's actually smashing this at a really good pace. Okay. Top floor. First coating has come on. We're waiting here because we're waiting for the electrician to come back to do the electrics and also for the wall as well. And Gavin started stripping the wallpaper in here. And then this will be straightforward as well. This will be where I started plastering. Then it'll be painted over. That'll be that for that room. And then we'll just have to leave this until the wall has been removed, because otherwise it's going to create too much mess. Once that's done, then Gavin can put a partition wall up here and a door over there, and then just finish off the rest of the property. And that is it.